Hello there, David here from londonsafes.co.uk. And we're having a look at some safes made in Germany by Burg Wachter. This is their Diplomat Euro Grade 1 range. Comes in key locking and digital with fingerprint reader. This is the fingerprint reader version, and this is the MTD 750EFP. Looking at their catalogue, here is the range, and available in 4 sizes, and this is the 750, and the dimensions are here. I'll read them out while looking at the safe. So this safe is 470 millimeters high by 500 millimeters wide, with a depth of 462 millimeters, and it weighs in at 104 kilograms and has an internal capacity of 38.5 litres. To open the safe, you can either use a 6-digit PIN, or you can program your fingerprint, which I've done here. So we'll just press enter to wake the safe up. Then we wait for it to prompt us for either a code or a fingerprint. And I've programmed my index finger, and it says please turn the knob, at which point you pull this out, rotate the knob around. You've got a limited time to do that because it goes back to sleep if you don't. And you've then opened the safe. And to lock the safe, you close the door and you rotate that around again, and that tucks away, stows away there, and the safe is now locked. If you don't want to use the fingerprint reader, you can just use your 6-digit code. I've set this one to be 654321, so it's now prompting me for a code or a fingerprint. You just enter that code, and the same thing, please turn the knob. It's accepted the code, turn the knob and open the safe. You can do a few things with it. You can have a combination of requiring 2 fingerprints, or a fingerprint and a code, that sort of thing, but most people are just going to use a fingerprint, I think. Internal dimensions are 345 millimeters high by 372 millimeters wide by 300 deep, and the door opening is 345 by 337 millimeters. We've got a removable shelf that can be taken out or put in any of these 3 positions. I've got it set in the middle here. It can be bolted either to a concrete floor through that hole, or to a brick wall through that back hole, or both, if that's possible in your location. It's quite rare to have both, but one or the other is fully insurance approved. Here's its testing. So this is its fire rating, LFS 60 minutes of fire protection, and Euro Grade 1. So that's suitable for storing up to £10,000 in cash or £100,000 in valuables for insurance purposes. The safe is battery operated. It uses 4 AA size batteries. It comes with this little Torx screwdriver, and you need to remove 2 screws, which I've just done. I can't really film it and hold the camera at the same time. From under the keypad, there's 1 screw there, another one there. And just pull that tray down to reveal the 4 batteries. Swap them over and put it back in, and that's your batteries changed. As always with Burg Wachter, the finish is exceptional. It is the best finish on any safe that we sell. Nothing comes close. They're really, really nicely made. Attention to detail. Very high quality products. We've been to the factory in Germany, seen them being stress tested and that sort of thing. They really are excellent safes. So with us, it's free delivery and free installation. There's a link to the product in the video description. If you're interested in one of these, get in touch. I've put my WhatsApp number up a few times during this chat. If you're interested in any sort of safe, please get in touch. I'm happy to answer any questions. The website is londonsafes.co.uk. 5-star rated on Trustpilot. We are the highest rated safe company on Trustpilot. We might not have the most reviews because we don't just send things out in the post, and we supply and fit everything. But we are the highest rated. And thank you for watching.
Free delivery and free installation. Your safe will be delivered and professionally installed by one of our own vetted employees who will arrive in an unmarked vehicle. Get in touch online or call us on 0800 711 7892.